Hey y'all, in this Learn to Crochet lesson, we are going to be learning how to do a double crochet, and we're going to jump right into the video so you can learn how to do this and not have to listen to a lot of fluff. But in previous videos, you've learned how to make your stitch knot, or I'm sorry, your slip knot and your foundation chain. So what we're going to do now is we're going to learn how to double crochet. So I'm going to be double crocheting from the fourth chain from the hook, and it really doesn't matter where you're practicing this at, but I'm just going to take the fourth one. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to be going into this stitch right here. So to double crochet, what you want to do is you want to wrap the yarn around the neck of your hook, just like I've done here. And then you're going to take the top of your hook and you're going to insert it into that chain. Now when I insert mine, I sort of turn it to the side a little bit so the hook here is pointed toward the left, and I'm going to just push under that yarn that I'm holding in my left hand, or you can wrap it around, whichever you prefer. And then I'm going to pull it through that chain stitch, that foundation stitch. So once I do that, I have 3 loops on my crochet hook, and then I'm going to wrap the yarn around the neck of the hook, and I'm going to pull that through 2 of the loops that were on my hook. And now I have 2 loops left. I'm going to wrap the yarn again, and then I'm going to pull it through those 2 loops, and I have just made my first double crochet. So let's do that again. We're going to wrap the yarn. We're going to stick it into the chain stitch, or to the stitch. And as we do that, I have found that it's easier just to go in sort of on the side, because if you go in straight up with the neck of your hook straight up, it's hard to grab that yarn. So if you just turn it to the side a little bit, and then you can either, if the yarn's in your hand, you can just loop it over or guide it under when you're pulling it through, whichever you prefer. Pull it through that chain stitch, 3 loops on your hook, wrap that yarn, pull through 2 loops, wrap that yarn, pull through 2 loops. Let's do it again. Wrap that yarn, insert to that chain, grabbing that yarn or looping it over, pull through, or draw up a loop. You'll hear people refer to that as drawing up a loop. You want to yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Let's do it again. Yarn over, insert into your chain, grabbing that yarn, pulling through the loop, or through the chain rather, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. It takes a while to get your hands accustomed to which way you want to go, and you can see that the yarn or the double crochet is in each of those chains. Do it again. This will be the last time. Loop over, insert it into your chain, pull it through that stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And there you have made some double crochets. So if you have any comments or questions, be sure to list those in the comments below. And until next time, see you later.